What's up everybody? This is Leangelo El Parillo and this is Tech Review. Sa araw na ito, i-review ko ngayon ang Moza Aircross ng Gudsen. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ito ang battery. Naka-separate siya ngayon sa mismong box. So, makikita nyo yung name, syempre kung ano yung itsura niya, at bubuksan na natin siya. Yan. Pag binili nyo to, may kasama na siyang hard case kung saan dito nyo ilalagay yung mismong gimbal. Ayan. Ito yung nasa loob niya. Sa unang bukas nyo, meron siya kasamang user manual kung saan makikita nyo lahat ng instruction kung paano assemblein simula sa maliliit na detail hanggang sa pinakamalalaki. At nandito rin yung mga instruction sa app kung paano nyo siya i-connect. And nandito yung charger. Yan. At ang may kasama siyang tripod kung saan ilalagay nyo sa gimbal para mailapag nyo sa kahit saang surface. Mga ganyan. Yan. So ayan, assemble na natin. So ayan, buo na yung gimbal. At syempre, nag-attach na rin tayo ng camera, which is yung Sony a6000 na nakalagay yung kit lens. Moza Aircross is a 3-axis gimbal which allows you to have a steady, nice, and smooth shot. Moza Aircross supports all mirrorless camera in the market with maximum payload of 1.8 kg. The battery life is 12 hours that you can use all day. You can use any USB port to charge your battery. The hand grip have a quarter 20 mount to attach any accessories like small monitor or microphone. And in below of that, we have 12.6 volt DC end connector. Because of that, we can use a third-party power bank to charge the gimbal. On the other side, we have micro USB port that allows you to charge your gimbal and updating your gimbal's firmware. Moza Aircross package had 3 cable connector to your camera. We have for Sony A series, Panasonic GH, and Canon also. The base plate for mounting your camera is any quick release plate with 50.5 to 55mm size. In the hand grip, we have 2 buttons. Small button is for start and stop recording, photo taking, auto center, enable roll control, and power on off the Moza Aircross. The other one is a joystick that allows you to control your gimbal rotation and you can press it to change your desired modes. Itong Aircross is meron siyang 4 na basic modes. First is the pan follow mode. The camera follows you when you yaw or pan your gimbal from left to right. Second mode is pan and tilt mode. The camera follows you from left to right in your up and down movement. The third is all lock mode. All 3 adjustments are lock. And the last mode is roll mode. The roll arm adjustment follows the movement from left to right, while the tilt and yaw adjustment arm are lock. Yan, napaliwanag ko sa inyo kung ano meron dito sa gimbal na ito. Ngayon, panoorin nyo naman yung demo shot ko. Thank you for watching. I'd like to thank G Production for supporting my video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe.